This is 2026, and in 2026, if you don't know the major function of vidIQ on your channel, it simply means you are sleeping on a very big thing. And this might actually be one of the major reasons why your channel is not really growing well, and you need to start using vidIQ. So some of the interesting thing I find about vidIQ is this. But before then, what is vidIQ? Well, vidIQ is more like a YouTube plugin that can help you analyze your channel, also help you know some of the things you need to know about your channel, your competitor, your video. If your video is really is going to perform well, you can predict it based on the score and the rating that it gives to your channel. So this is vidIQ. And how do you install this particular guy here? Come to this YouTube extension, a Chrome extension. So you use a Chrome extension, then you come to manage extension, and you do come to Chrome Web Store, and it's going to load here. Then you search for VidIQ. Then you click on this and you add to Chrome. So once you've added it to your Chrome, your YouTube is going to look like this, just like this. So you're going to see the vidIQ filter logo here. Then you're also going to see the vidIQ channel stacks here also. So you see this? So this is for this particular channel, is a music channel run by AI. So this is what I have overall, and overall, yeah, basically. So vidIQ also help you filter in the sense that, oh, you want to filter based on recent uploads. So these are recent uploads a day ago, 7 hours ago, a day ago. And you can also search by, let's say for example, you are into crime niche. You can search by a crime niche. You can filter by a crime niche to see a particular video that just uploaded some days ago. It's not showing because I've not upgraded my vidIQ. Then it can also show you a lot of things that is something that is trending today, high velocity, evergreen content that are still getting engagement, and a lot of all things you are looking for on YouTube. And apart from that, when you click on the search button and say you want to search for, say for example, randomly, crime of passion 2, then you are going to see this comparison search bar here. So what this does is it gives you, if this particular topic, can I talk about this particular topic? If I can talk about this particular topic, then what should I talk about it? How should I talk about it? Based on what other persons have talked about. So you can scroll down to see what it is. So this is a movie, by the way. So you can search, you can scroll down to see some of the things that people have talked about this particular topic, So let's say, for example, I just want to search for crime in Texas or in London. Yeah, let me do this. Crime in London. So it's going to show you that is medium. People are not really searching for it. People are searching for it, but it's not high. It's just about 53%. So let me now compare to crime in USA. So let's see, you see this is the volume is high, this particular volume. It simply means people are searching a lot about this particular topic. So you can now break it down to anything you want. Maybe crime in Texas, crime in let's say crime in Texas. Definitely should be able to get a higher over. Oh, there are no much crime in Texas. Is that what this means? No, but there are a lot of crime. Let's say crime story. I'm using all of these things just for you to be able to understand what I'm talking about. So crime story, you see how high this particular guy is. Like the volume, the search volume is high. That means if you want to do this particular thing, you can go ahead and start creating content on crime story. And when you talk about crime story, your video should definitely come up here. Then if you also scroll down, you'll see some other interesting thing. like search term, highest view, and other information you need to get. Then you also get some related words. These are some things you can actually add to your what's it called now? You can add them to your tags when posting your video. So this particular guy help you help people to find your channel faster. That is when you add some of these related tags there, some of these related keywords rather. Then the average view per hour. This is how people are watching this particular topic, crime story. You see, about let me use today. Today, about 1.1 million views per hour on that particular topic. So this vidIQ basically shows you everything you need to know and how you can navigate yourself around YouTube. And also, when you scroll down, maybe when you upgrade, you can. It also gives you what is it called? It also gives you um, competitors you can copy their type of content, especially if you are into AI, if you are into YouTube, if you are into AI content creation on YouTube, if like you are using AI to create content on YouTube. So this is what is going to show you and plenty other things. So let's say, for example, I click on this video, or before then, if I click on this video, if you hover your mouse on this guy here, you're going to see these three things: download thumbnail, remix thumbnail, add to collection, manage collection. So what this means is talking about the thumbnail. Say for example, you want to change the thumbnail, let's start from the beginning. You want to download the thumbnail. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this, that the thumbnail has been downloaded, and automatically, if you preview that, you are going to see the thumbnail here. You see that? So automatically, I have downloaded the thumbnail on my system. And if you come here over your mouse again, say for example, you want to change some things on the thumbnail, over your mouse and come to this area, then click on remix. So I'm going to click on remix thumbnail. Then say for example, you want to add a subject. I want to add my own subject. Say I want to add my own, I want to upload my own image or picture. So you come to wherever you have your picture at, you come there and you add your own picture. So once you add it, say for example, this is it, then you click on this, then you said remove the house at the background and add a road. So then this is your reference. Don't forget, click on your subject, then it's going to add to this, and you click on generate, and that is going to start generating. So it's going to generate three option image for you to choose in between. So you can decide to go with this, and you post that as your own new thumbnail. Nothing is wrong with that. You are good to go, and that's it. So let's wait for this to finish generating. So you say this, I said you should remove the house background and add a road. You see this, add a road and even change the thumbnail entirely. Then also still add the particular image as a subject that I asked it. It added it, and you can download this one and add to your YouTube channel, add to your video on YouTube for maybe A/B testing videos. So just come here, we download, and if you still want to edit this, you can come to vidIQ to do the proper editing you want to do. So you just click on this edit button and it's going to open this interface for you. Maybe you still want to remove some things or you want to add some things and what have you. So you do that on your own. And then the next one is if you also come here to hover your mouse, then you see add to collection. Maybe you want to use it as a reference later in the future, or you want to manage your collection. So you do that. So say for example, you click on this particular remix. This particular remix simply means is going to give you a new title, um, a new title, a new what is it called? A new title, basically, a new title that you can add to to your content, and you see this. So it's going to give you new title. Apart from that, it is also going to help you get tags that you can actually put on your video, especially when you go to remix some new video or a trending video on YouTube. So it can help your channel grow faster. So when you click on that, let's say for example, I click on that particular video, it's also going to show you more information about this video. So if you come to view is going to show you the engagement on this particular video. This is for view. It's going to show you the engagement, then the thumbnail, and every other information you need. Then if you now come to overview, it's going to show you subs, it's going to show you viewers, and it's also going to show you the channel, what vidIQ score this particular video on YouTube. So this is 39.7 over 100. That is the vidIQ score. So the purpose for this is because the reason why it's called this like this, or the purpose for this, is because maybe the reason why it's getting much engagement. And if you look at this, it has this particular person added about 5 over 5 tag, volume tag. There's also keyword in title. There's also keyword in description, triple keyword. That is why this particular video is kind of low in performance. So basically what I'm trying to explain here is that when vidIQ score your video, let's say 50 over 50 or 100 over 100, there is high tendency for that particular video to go viral. So to do that, just look for some viral video, look for some viral videos to look for some viral videos and copy their channel tags and also their tag. Then if you also look at here, it also gives Reddit engagement like upvotes, comments, and posts. So directly on Reddit, this is not a Reddit engagement content. So, and if you also go down, this is the channel tag. You can copy this to your own new channel, and this is also the video tag. You can also copy this to your own channel. And the last one is going to be AI coach. AI coach is basically AI coach. How do I get more subscriber on my channel? More like you want to ask him question about this guy and then summarize the video, give me 5 video ideas for my channel, then analyze the hook and blah 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 on that particular video. And then if you also scroll down, you're going to see remix here, hard commentator. This is for those that code. And if you know how to code very well, you can do that. So this particular guy here also can also help you grab the thumbnail. And say for example, you like this particular scene on this particular video, just click on capture screenshot. So it's going to capture this particular scene from the video. Then transcript is going to show you the transcript, just the text for the video. So you can copy this, niche bend it to create another one. That is everything you need to know about vidIQ. I've been using this for my channel, and trust me, most of the channels have been getting engagements. And if I say engagement, I mean very, very good engagement. So in case you want to learn more about things like this, don't forget to check my YouTube page, and I'm definitely going to be talking about more tools that can actually help you enhance whatever you are doing related to YouTube. So on that note, I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye for now.